going to teach you a vowel. There are 5 vowels. What's the 5 vowels, Zoe? An Owlette. A, E, I, O, U.
And every vowel has two sounds. There are long vowel sounds and the short vowel sound. So the long vowel sounds say
their names.
Like
A, E, I, O, U.
Okay, so long A sound like
Ape.
Ape. What's ape?
It's some kind of gorilla.
Oh, okay. And E.
Cheese.
Yeah, cheese. Long I sound.
Ice cream.
O.
Orange.
Or
Nose.
U.
Unicorn. My favorite fairy tale animal.
Okay, so the short vowel sound.
What's the short vowel of A? As in apple.
嘴巴长大，对不对？
对。
Apple.
The short vowel of E.
嘴巴小一点。
As in elephant.
Elephant. Okay.
What's the short vowel of I? Igloo.
Igloo. Oh, igloo. Okay.
What's the short vowel of O? O.
嘴巴大一点。Like
Octopus.
octopus.
What's the short vowel of U? Umbrella. Umbrella.
Umbrella.
Sometimes Y could be the vowel.
Oh, okay. What's the vowel sound of Y?
It is I, like in white or my.
Myself. Mine. Oh.
Good job, Zora.
And good job, Owlette.